This is the first project we got here. This is my son's battered up bike, but he loves it. It's a 157 FMI, and as you see there, the exhaust studs are knackered there. So we're going to strip them out today and get him in some new ones, is it? If you give me a sec, guys, I'm going to just pop you over to GoPro mode so I haven't got to keep holding this. And yeah, hope you enjoy. Right then, guys, let's get on with this, is it? Sorry if the quality's a bit awful. Right, Lee, if you do me a favour, if you start and do it in the back, guys, I get to all these bits. Don't want to go too mad on this because it's going to snap the stud in there. Oh, there you go. That's beautiful, isn't it? That saves effort trying to get that one out. So, you just undo this. So, over there. So, just waiting on Lee to undo the back bit now. And we just take the whole exhaust out. Actually, we'll have to split the exhaust to take it out completely, so we'll just leave it loose for now. Are you undone on the back, yeah? Yep. Alright, if you bring this forward. Sorry if I caught your finger then. Oh, hang on. What's happening here? Well, that answers that. I thought the bolt was missing on the other side, but it's not. It's just bursting through the hole.
Thank you.
Yeah, I know. So, let me see if I can get that off first. Don't want to go too fast and warm it up, see? Right, tap it out. There you go, come out of there, beautiful. Check that out there. So you're undone at the back, yeah? Alright, so that's that out of the way. Let's pull this old washer out. There's the old copper washer, guys. It's not a great deal to that, is it? So, on the next subject now, we've got to try and get that stud out if we can. So, let's move on to the old grippers. Sorry if I'm looking in the wrong location here, guys. I'm more focused on this a minute. So do us a fave. Give me a sec, guys. Just to save the mess around. Save messing around, innit? Don't want to look back, guys, because we are obviously for obvious reasons. Don't mind you seeing this side, but not behind. Gives you an idea where we are. So let's give this a bit of heat. Heat works wonders. Sorry if you can't hear me, guys. It's a bit on a noisy one. Let's get this nice and toasty, is it? And hopefully that'll just slip out of there. But to be fair, this stud ain't that bad, so if we can't get it out, it's not the end of the world. There's mainly that one up there, as you see. So now it's a bit warmer. Let's see if she comes out now, is it? These bloody mole grips are a pain in the ass. Alright, so let's give her a good old grip. No, she's not budging there, is she, huh? I would get the two 10mm nuts to try and lock it together and crank it off, but this thread's a bit knackered on it, like. So it appears we might be leaving that one in, because it's a good thread anyway. Like I say, it was only the top one ultimately. I'll give it one more try. I just don't want to strip the thread, that's all, if it's not going to come out that easy. I do believe we're getting a slight bit of movement there, guys. Like I said, I just don't want to wreck the thread, see? Because if we have got to keep this one in for now, then it's better to not wreck it. We'll try and get it out though, because it would be nice to put new ones in. Is it just my eyes there, guys, or has that got movement? No, I don't think we have there, guys, have we? Stripping a thread, and I don't want to be doing that today. Like I say, I'll have to get a welder and weld a nut on it and try and get it out. Right, so for now we're going to leave that one then. We're going to go to the old Bushwick style for today. Like I say, at least we can get one new one in there, at least, so it holds it tighter. And then we can stick the new nut on this one at least, so it holds it. So, many people wonder which end goes first. As you can see, it's obviously the shorter end first, straight into the hole. So screw him into there. Give me a sec, let me put the nut on there just to make that a bit easier to fly him in. That's him. Let's tighten him up all the way. Let's make this bloody process a bit quicker, is it, guys? Alright, that's as far as that's going in there. So there, that's that one done, guys. At least we got a new nut to put on that instead of this bloody... Where's it gone? Look at the state of that, guys. That's crusty, that, isn't it? We put the washer back on as well onto there, just to give that extra hold. Where's the other bolt gone to? And as you see, this bolt has seen better days as well, haven't it, guys? So, it's a good job of changing them. We'll keep that as a spare, because one day you never know. Doubt you'll ever need it, but thought I'd point it out anyway. So, on to the next bit. I'm going to put a nice new bit of seal on this gasket, just to make sure it holds in place. Because there's nothing worse than trying to hold the gasket in place and put the exhaust on at the same time. It's been a while since I used this, as you see. Let me pick away. So yeah, just a little smidgen around the edge, guys. I hope you can see what I'm doing here, and I haven't got the camera pointed in the wrong area for you. But yeah, now you got that on there, guys. And just push this into the hole. Hold it for a second just so it sort of grabs a little. And there you have it. And where you've got the excess there, if you're seeing what I'm seeing, you just rub your finger around the edge, just give it that extra bond. Don't worry if you get too much in there, it'll only blow up your exhaust pipe, so don't cry about it. It won't hurt it. Just don't get too much in it, otherwise you'll have like what sounds like rocks rattling around in your exhaust. So if you can go and line the back up again, Lee, so we can get this end lined up. And yeah, we'll put it back together now.
I need to undo the bolt here because I put it through the hole so it didn't go nowhere.
Yeah, so why'd you do that? And I'll just wiggle this in place. So, give me a second. And before you go tightening this up, guys, get all the rest of it set up first. So, I'm going to put that back in there. Just so that holds the exhaust up here. I'll wait for Lee to loose fit that back there. Bollocks. Can I knock that in without taking it out? Yeah, it's in. Just wiggle it about if it ain't in the right place. Is it in, yeah?
Yeah, just trying to get the nut.
Yeah. As long as you're done up there, I'll start a bit. So you put this back in there, guys.
You need to tighten this bit at the very end?
Not for a sec, keep it all loose fitted a minute. Yeah. It's just so I can get everything in place, and then once it's in place. So get that nut back there. It's that fiddly one, isn't it? Sitting right back here. So that's back in there. There's the old gun of doom. Right, so if you can, slowly start doing that really. Oh, hang about. Let me put these in slightly first. Oh, I'm going to get a spanner on it. Oh no, you go in. It's a bit stuck in here, isn't it? Right up against the frame, my back one. Let me give it that wiggle over there. It's got a bit stuck out, haven't he? Might have to come back without it. There you go, she's out. Right, so that's that one as tight as I want to go. Get the rest with this top one. So that's nice and tight up this end. Do you know what I didn't do? Didn't put a bit of Loctite on it. So if they do happen to come loose again, just we'll have to Loctite it next time. That's nice and tight there. So once he's done there, that's the exhaust gasket done, and one stud at least. Like I say, guys, I will get round to doing it. I'll just weld him a nut on and take it off another day, but that's for another day, not today. Like I say, yeah, the one exhaust stud, as you see, it was decent enough anyway, wasn't it?
Solid back there.
Do you know what we forgot to do?
The bolt in the middle.
Yep. Yeah, we've got another little job to do on this, guys, so I'm going to leave you with that, and that's us for one day. Catch you again on the next one.